Girl, you don't even look crazy. You have on a scalp. First of all, let's say hey. You want to say hi? Do the introduction. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Make my scarves. Hey guys, welcome back to another day in December. I'm out here with Navi, and you know when I'm with Navi, what goes down? Food, or healthy food. So
put me in the queue.
of course they never want to be in the video. So we stopped at this Dollar Tree to get some more goodies for Jamaica, and then she went to the little Vietnamese place over there. Oh wait, let me zoom in.
In Woodland Park.
So that little place over there she went to. A couple weeks ago we came out here. Well, I always come out this way because Nyla goes to school out this way. But either way, a couple weeks ago, I'm nowhere near her school. So anyways, a couple weeks ago we came out here and she went there. We got some vermicelli something, and it was good. So she was going crazy for me to bring her back. So we got opportunity today because we're both off today, and now we're out here. So some salad. I don't know if one thing you know about Asian people, they eat very healthy. And then we got some steaks, some vermicelli noodles, and vegetables, some sprouts. Everything's healthy because again they eat real healthy. Oh, you got two of the same. Okay, so two of those. And then she also got a third thing. So that's steak and rice.
Yeah.
Is that pork chop? Steak?
Steak short ribs.
Oh, okay. Well, look at that. Anyway, so yeah. Ooh, for $50, huh?
Hang on.
Some. Oh, that's good. That's actually good. I should have brought my tripod. It's not cooked all the way out. It's not tough.
That's what I like.
Should have brought my tripod. So I need a mount.
Put like a water right here to hold it up. Or the one in my thing. No, crazy. Put the selfie right now, right there. Or the pepper.
Look, I was gonna go for that every time we finish when we do this shit. Sorry, in-car mukbang.
Yeah, we had to show them. Oh!
I'm sorry, I have to have you guys thingy here. I need to get a car mount for the camera. I have a car mount for the phone.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, because she don't want to be in it. So this, oh, that's perfect. Actually, that is perfect. She don't want to be in it. I thought I was gonna go. You gonna eat first?
Can we eat a little bit first? I'm kind of starving, girl. The egg this morning wasn't enough.
That's for me.
Yeah, I guess you could put this on it. They didn't give us this last time, did they?
Yeah.
They did?
Mm-hmm.
Was it? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, we poured everything on.
Right here.
These bowls and stuff up.
Okay.
I've got 3 bowls.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat from. I guess I eat from mine. You eat from yours. Yeah. Let's look again. Look again, guys.
Oh wait. And then your sriracha is right there. And then they have like onions and stuff. Did you pour the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was good. It was good. It made the noodles. It gave the noodles flavor because you don't eat enough on it. Oh, where's the oh? And some sriracha. Where's the other stuff in the bag?
Oh. It's just steady.
So flavor. Some green onions up in this joint, or scallion as we call it. And it's been raining. I swear the weather here is wild. Last week it was freezing. This week it's raining. And by the weekend it's gonna be freezing again. I'm not gonna lie, I am very excited and can't wait to get out of this weather for a few weeks. I can't wait. Some sriracha. We gotta get our forks to mix it all up.
It's good.
I'm gonna stop at Marshall's
And Total Wine.
and Total Wine. Last time when I recorded, but I didn't even post the
Oh.
video. I literally have 3 vlogs that I'm missing that I should post. I probably should post them, put them to upload while we're in transit to Jamaica. You know, those first few days. But I'm gonna do a Christmas video. That's the only reason I'm bringing my thingy. I don't want my Christmas Day videos to be stale, so I want to put those up ASAP.
Whew. This sriracha got kick in it. This is real sriracha. She should be buying that other sriracha in real. Not you specifically, but people. I just got sriracha on my
Oh, that's
hands.
spicy. But, let me show you. See, the rain. It's been raining since what? Monday? Sunday? No, Monday, because no, it wasn't raining. It was on the way home on Sunday. I probably would have picked you up if it was raining. I'm really not that hungry yet. Oh yeah, so some stuff at Marshall's and Total Wines. We still have, actually, it's already 120. So
She's done that with
you 245, but it's okay. Total Wines, before you know it, it's gonna be.
okay. We can go soon.
So yeah, I'll drive. You can buckle up and eat. Should I put all the pepper over it? I didn't do some of the pepper just in case she wanted to try it.
To an hour?
Mm-hmm.
It's a me and you thing. She can have, or even her thing. As far as she can start, we don't have food. Would she even try it though?
I don't know. At least a minute.
Parents would try it.
But I put all the pepper over it. Maybe this one. Actually, they'll eat. What are you eating here? Oh, you have the same thing over there. It's
No,
ribs
it's
and
not.
it's
It's
beef.
different.
It's still beef. What's back in the bottom? We're supposed to go to their dinner.
Oh no!
Alright, let's go. Let's go to Marshall's and Total Wines before she loses her damn mind.
Okay.
Well, this is about
This is wet all right here.
oh, don't make that box. You're sitting on your phone. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you all away for a little bit. Here, now we can show y'all a little bit of the rain, driving in the rain. She can show y'all that. Got to take the cellulose down.
It's not cellulose. She called. Wait, how do you see it?
I need to change the screen protector.
She called it cellulose.
What is it called? Celsius?
Well, you can put this in. They don't spell to you. Why you really free promo? Anyways, this is where we're driving.
Oh, that was my fake tripod.
I'm satisfied.
Are you?
Yeah, that was definitely. No, like it put a taste in my mouth. Like I swear to everyone that's watching this video, I've been eating and eating, but nothing was satisfying my hunger.
That's because you're hungry. Your taste buds is ready for some real island food.
But that right there,
That's what it is. Your
damn, this camera's really clear.
camera's really good. It's really good camera.
Wow,
Your taste buds is ready for some
real
island
food and
That's
real
what it is.
liquor.
That's really what it is.
This person is driving real slow, y'all. It looked like they so far, but they're not that far. I'm sorry, but that's an ugly car color. I'll let you guys figure out which one I'm talking about.
I almost got the exit lane here.
She took 70 minutes in Dollar Tree picking up everything, and she'll show y'all part of her what's left vlog.
Oh, this one is coming. You got to make it.
Where
TJ Maxx.
now let's just go to Marshall's.
Yeah, we're running TJ Maxx. Remember, I'm looking for.
Oh, Atlantic Health,
I'm looking for something.
Urgent Care.
So we don't have to be in TJ Maxx for long.
So tell me what you sushi. Y'all, I gotta
Sushi
stop.
right there?
Yes.
I've never come over this side before.
Let me tell you something. I eat food. Okay, I'm a real cheap person. I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. Real cheap. However, when it comes to food, especially like Asian cuisine or food that I actually like.
On the other side.
Food that I actually like, I will spend the money. I'ma spend it. But there's a TJ Maxx right there. You know, you see it. This camera's really, really clear. Oh my god. Why am I
So
holding
when I'm
it
trying
like
to
this?
it's like when we're driving in the fog, and I'm trying to like capture the video of us driving in the fog. It never picks up because it clears it up.
That's crazy.
Oh, didn't see that spot right there? What the hell?
She just parked right there. And is there any other spot?
Further down, I'm just gonna have to park further down, that's all. This person parked terrible.
Okay, so
So
who's
stupid.
who's going?
First of all, this person is literally, I need to go over that way. That person needs to go over that way. You're like literally in the
So
middle.
how is anybody supposed to go?
You're like parked up in the, man, this is kind of far.
Yeah, we just gotta walk. Anyways, my mom's driving. She be driving or whatever. Okay, but this is where we are. Unveiled Plaza or Able. I don't know. You see all that stuff they got, but we're going to TJ Maxx and a sushi place.
You're not going to no sushi place.
Oh.
We're going to teach them. You just ordered a whole bunch of Vietnamese food. Take your look behind us at the car. Let's go.
Look, I got so much on.
How much is the liquor? That's what she got. This is one. This is a black cherry. I made her get this one. I want to try it. But yeah. Oh, we're still out here running. It's like 2 hours later and we're still out here running. And she got this. Where's the other ones? She got another. They're all the same brand? Mm-hmm. She got this one. Are you guys seeing it? She's trying to listen to the pronunciation. So we got this one. This one is, they're all Moscatos, right? Muscat? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Whatever. Okay, different flavors, that's all. And then she got this one. Yep. So we stopped, we stopped at Dollar Tree. We ran into TJ Maxx real quick. What did we buy? Oh, lotion. Found lotion. And then we ran to Marshall's. I found what I was looking for at Marshall's, so I'm glad that's done. So basically, I'm done. I can literally close off Terrence's suitcase for good, Nala's suitcase for good, and yeah, we are officially ready to be fully packed. I'll give you a haul of the stuff when we get home. Waiting for Nala to get out of school, and then we can yep. Oh, I need to fix my scarf. Finally made it home, guys. I'm about to eat. Look, finally about to eat, and then I'm gonna do a quick haul. So, but yeah. I'll be back. We got some lotion, some cocoa butter lotion,
I bought it.
Navion paid for it. She got some for herself too, but she already took those out. So maybe I should put everything on the table so I could stop bending. Hold on. I'm not gonna show the kids' drawers, that's for sure. I'm not gonna show the underwear.
You have to go take a nap.
I'm putting everything on the table. Y'all hold on.
I'm about to take a nap.
Now I need to try on this bra. I hope they fit.
I'm gonna get my charger.
I'm trying to put everything on the table so I don't have to keep bending.
You'll be coming out like 600 times. Like, please, girl.
But y'all keep talking in it, so I have to get to parts. I have to get to parts where I can actually use that part without you yap in the video. I think I'm ready now. So I have the bag from Dollar Tree right here with all the stuff in it. It was hot. Ooh, should take this off, but whatever. So like I was saying, we have the lotion, cocoa butter lotion. This was $5.99 from Dollar Tree. I got 2 of those. Nabi paid for them. Then we have this vanilla cashmere Joe Malone dupe. It's by Olivia Blake London. So basically from the same place Joe Malone is from. It smells really good. It smells really good. I have Joe Malone as well, but I like the smell on that. Navi got that for me, right, Navi? Then some hair ties. This was from Dollar Tree. This was from Marshall's. Marshall's, right? And now for Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, just it's all of this right here. This big old bag. That's all Dollar Tree. Some hair mousse, White Rain. Good old school White Rain hair mousse. I got 2 of these for Nyla's braids. I got this pill container for my vitamins. Gotta bring my vitamins with me, so I'm gonna put a good amount in these. Oh, you can take the rest of it, Navi. I got some Dawn soap for the house. I think I got 4 of these. I got some styling gel. This is to go with my stuff for my hair for Jamaica. For the days when I want to smooth it back into a ponytail and not have it all out. Then got some Slim Jim for Nyla and Terrence. Did he already take this? Got some Speed Stick travel size deodorants for Terrence. I got a hairbrush that I could just use and leave there. I don't have to bring back for my hair for when I need it out. More Dawn, like I said, I got 4 of those. Some razors. Dollar Tree has some really good razors. This is like the 5-blade one. That's the ones I like. What else we got in this bag? We got some lady speed sticks, like travel size lady speed stick for Nyla. Some floss. Oh, some antibacterial hand. They usually have the little mini Lysol ones. They didn't have it at this Dollar Tree that I went to. But I bought these because I like to travel with this. I need to go back because I need also the little travel size tissues. So I need to get that too. I like to travel with wipes. I'm still going to look for the Lysol, but in the meantime, I got these. I got 2 of those, I think. I also got, this is another wipes, like hand wipes, because I like to have these in the car when we're on the road out there, so that, you know, make sure we have, you know, to wipe our hands. Because sometimes I also like to bring like hand sanitizer too, so I might throw one of those in my bag. But I like to have this so that when we're on the road, you know, you gotta eat and stuff, and you don't have thinking right away, like when you know, you stop in Jamaica, you're on the roadside, you know, street food. Video coming. So I like to have these for the car. That's that. So there's another one of those. More razors. And these, I got these hair ties from Dollar Tree. These were brown. The other ones I got from Marshall's were black. The other mousse to throw in luggage for Jamaica. More Dawn. Also got some toothpaste. Hopefully we'll be alright. Got some toothpaste. What else we got in here? I think, oh, and some more deodorant. This one's a Dove Men for Terrence to throw in his bag. For like when we on the road down there, you know, going to the beach and stuff, we could, you know, you take shower from the beach, just put these in our little beach totes, and then that way we don't have to bring the big ones or travel with everything. So these are small, so these will go with that. And I mean, that's it really. That's it. The main thing was to get some undergarments, some underwear, some drawers for Nyla, but I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna show you the underwear. So we got that. That's the Nyla sorted, Terrence is sorted, and I'm sorted. I just gotta pack, like I said earlier, before. I just gotta repack. So yeah, so everybody's sorted. Just gotta pack. Oh, I think Grandma probably gonna take. I probably put 2 of these for Mommy's stuff to go to Jamaica. Actually, I'll probably give Grandma, Mommy 2 of these to put in her bag. And these are from Dollar Tree, Dawn, and it's $1.25. Can't beat it. I'm gonna put these for her to put in her bag for Jamaica. So I'll put those over there for her, and I'll leave 2 here for the kitchen because you can always grab it here. But yeah. So if you're traveling and you don't want to overspend on certain things, take your little self to Dollar Tree. There's a lot of things at Dollar Tree, especially now with the prices that have gone up. You just take yourself to Dollar Tree and get these little things that, you know, if you don't need a big pack, you don't need a crazy pack, like you just need this. I also have baby wipes. That's another thing I like to travel with from the kids were small, obviously, and it comes in handy. It comes in handy. Plus these come in handy on the plane too. But the baby wipes will go in the check luggage, and then one of these will go in my handbag. That way we can have this for the plane. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today. You guys spent the day with me and Navi, even though she wasn't on camera. We were on the road for about 3+ hours, you know, just running around getting some stuff done while in between picking up the kids from school. It was a rainy day, crazy day out there. It's windy and rainy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe for those Jamaica vlogs. Jamaica vlogs are gonna be lit. So stay tuned for those. And thank you guys for coming along on this journey. Peace out, love, and happiness.